Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Microsoft AI and Sales Certification 2026. The certification is provided by the Skill2Win Certification Week. We have to go step by step process for getting the AI fundamental and business value, that is certification is AB 730, and AI strategy, adoption and governance AB 731. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So here, free Microsoft AI sales certifications, applied skill credentials, skill to win virtual certification week. So join the skills to win sales AI certification week, a free 100% free live virtual training event designed for the sales and pre-sales professional looking to build AI fluency, master customer conversation, and earn official Microsoft credential in just 3 days. So date will be the March 23rd to 25 2026, and mode is a live instructor lead online, and cost is a completely free. So free certification and credentials you can earn by attending this event. Participate can unlock so Microsoft business AI certification, that is the sales focused, applied skill credential for the completely hands-on lab, and free Microsoft exam voucher subject to eligibility, usually required attending at least 2 of the 3 days. So remember that you have to attend, total is 3 days, 28, 24 and 25, but you have to attend at least 2 days on out of 3 days. So training included preparation for the certification such as AI fundamentals and business value AB 730, and AI strategy, adoption and governance AB 731. So Microsoft Apply Skill Award. This credential help validate your ability to explain AI values, support customer adoption and drive real business outcomes. So what you will learn: how to confidently sell AI solutions, AI fundamentals for the business and sales, customer use cases and value conversation, certification exam readiness, and practical applied skill labs. So who should attend? So sales executive, pre-sales specialist, and business development manager, Microsoft partner seller, anyone looking to add AI certification to their resume. So what will get: live expert lead training, hands-on applied skill, certification pathway explained, and free exam voucher, and career boosting Microsoft credential. So there is a official link. We'll go through this link. And tip is that use your work email for the certification eligibility. Yes. So there is a list of the virtual events, and you can see there is a skill to win, acquire skill to earn new Microsoft Business certification. So this is the Monday, March 23 8 a.m. To March 25 5 p.m. IST. So click there. So you can get all the details. Okay. And introducing the new sales certification week, required the one session per day, and please choose one. So AM please session, PM session, two sessions will go. You have to choose one of that. And main thing is that we are clicking out the live virtual sales certification week, 3 days, and who attend, all the details we have already explained. Agenda, foundation, day 2, day 3. And main thing we are looking for this: earn Microsoft credential. Participants will have the opportunity to earn Microsoft applied skill credential and Microsoft certifications through the framework. Eligibility criteria will be outlined during the live session. Please note that on demand content does not count towards credential eligibility. So save your seat and other details are there. So we are from the Asia. So you'll just click on this. As per your requirement, you can go and view details. You can go for the more details. So 30 days to go, and all the attend and all the details you will get. So here, sign in to register for free. So click there. Now click on register now. So you'll get this page. Same thing is there near about, and voucher eligibility is there. Vouchers shall be issued only if the participant attend 2 days out of 3 days, and only one voucher will be issued even the participant attend multiple courses in the same CW event, certification week event. So each eligible participant will receive the participate test voucher along with the exam voucher. Okay, no voucher shall be issued to participant who attend the session unverified. So you have to verify your account, and don't skip the video. I'm just explaining step by step process for that, and via email on 10 days, and all things are there. So this is the schedule. Let me open in new tab. I'll show you more. Okay, login process or registration process. So you have to give your email address and other details. Let me go to the this page. So just assume that you are a new user. You are clicking for the register. When you click for the register, you will get this page. Okay, scaling hub, and sign in with your professional email. And one more thing, now you can just bypass this part using the your Zoho email. Zoho email they are considering as the professional email. You can write your Zoho email. Zohomail.in. Just I have a Zoho mail, or you can go through your professional email also, and your company email, your if you are a student, you can use your student email for this. And this is very important, you are going through the Zoho email. So click on next or create one if you are not registered with this skilling hub. So I will click this. You cannot find the email address, so go to the new and put your email address and just click on next. So you will get a code. So go to your mail. So you got the code. Just copy the code, paste it there, and click on next. So password, your name. So you enter your name, click on next. So yes, sign in. So create your account, your email address, job profile. So select this, India, check these things and click on continue. So account setup, and go to the last, then this checkbox will appear and click on agree and continue. So I'm interested with the AI business solution, security, and cloud also. Okay. So learning preference, click on next, live virtual event, webinar, and general scaling, on demand, in person, no. So click on finish. So again, we are in this page, we are already logged in. You can see your detail. Okay. Now click on register. So you can use your professional email, your student email for that, for the registration. So click on next. So in this page, skill acquire skill to earn new Microsoft Business certification. So other details are there. Go to the last. So here 23, 24, 25th. So two timings is there 9 to 1 and 2 to 6. So how it works? So choose your preferred time slot and submit your registration. Wait for the confirmation your registration by email. Attend accelerated training session each day and completely lab exercise and self study. Obtain your credential. Schedule your take your exam. This is the final. So now choose your certification path, your name, detail, company, job title, your email address, name, department, location, and choose your path. Which one you want to choose, 9 to or 2, 2 to 6. So I'm just choosing 2 to 6 and click here. Would you look to receive email about the partner updates and events? Yes, and click on register. Okay, so just change the time. Okay, you have to update cancel page support out. So something went wrong. So encounter issue and need to the update and cancel your booking. Reach out the if okay. So they have reached out the for this. We'll go for the another time. Another one. So EMA. So same process. So choose your time. Okay. So we got the register with the another timing and close this one. Go to your email. We'll get an email notification. Go there. So, dear Chirag, thank you for submitting your request, Microsoft Wave. And this, we have to share the Microsoft Teams and evaluate the best of the access criteria, and other details will be there. So, you'll get a confirmation email from them. So, this is the process. So this is a step-by-step process to get 100% free Microsoft AI Send certification week 2026 and free Microsoft AI and Sell certification. So step-by-step process I have shown to you. Now, disclaimer is there all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. So subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official YouTube channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.